Can you stop with that, please?
Why?
Oh yeah, guys, look at that. Don't.
AKA Samurai.
Don't. It will decimate.
What the heck are we?
What happened?
What the heck happened? We're down here.
No. Because I was like, you know, see, now you gotta start a new rule because this guy absolutely decimated the entire thing. I'm sitting right here. Now you gotta create a whole new world. Okay, he decimated the entire thing. Look over to here, a big massive hole. This is all I see. Yeah, no. Congratulations, you guys start a whole new world, and guess what? You know what's not being added?
The
OP anime swords. Yeah, no more. Congratulations, you ruined it.